In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to trade Forex on Trading 212. To start your Forex trading journey, the first thing you'll need to do is go to Trading 212's website at apptrading212.com and log into your account. This is where your trading experience begins, and having your login credentials handy will make this step much easier. If you haven't set up your account yet, take a moment to ensure that your details are up to date and accurate. Once you're logged in, you need to ensure that your account is properly set up and funded. Trading 212 offers a great feature that allows you to practice with virtual money, perfect for beginners. For this tutorial, we'll be using this feature, which means we can practice trading without the risk of losing real money. To get started with practice trading, click on Practice with Virtual Money. This creates a risk-free environment, enabling you to familiarize yourself with the platform and build confidence in your trading strategies. Next, you'll want to select 212 CFD from the options available. This step is crucial as it takes you directly to the tools specific for more advanced trading like Forex. Now, once you're on the home page, navigate to the Forex section. This is the part of the platform where you'll find currency pairs, allowing you to make trades in the foreign exchange market. Browse through the Forex options available, and when you find a Forex pair that interests you, click on it to view more details and trading options. At this point, you can choose to sell a SOL or buy the Forex pair. For our example, let's focus on buying. Click on Buy to start setting up your trade. This brings you to the interface where you can see different trading specifics. You have two main types of orders here, market and limit stop. A market order is executed immediately at the current market price, whereas a limit order will only execute at a specific price or better. You can select your preference based on your strategy and what you hope to achieve with the trade. After deciding on the type of order, you'll need to choose either the value or quantity you wish to trade. For this tutorial, let's go with setting a value. Enter your desired value carefully. This is how much you're willing to invest in this particular Forex pair. Furthermore, adjust the margin if needed. This option gives you the ability to manage leverage and risk. Enter the desired price level and decide if you want to set a take profit or a stop loss. These are essential for managing your trades as they help lock in profits and limit losses respectively. Once you've reviewed and are confident with all your settings, it's time to wrap up. Finally, click on Confirm Buy to execute your trade. Congratulations! You've successfully made a Forex trade using Trading 212. Remember to review and monitor your trades regularly to ensure they align with your trading goals.